Morning bears, I hope you are doing well and having a good day so far. Today we are going to do a very fun experiment called the dancing popcorn. Have you ever heard of popcorn dancing? Well, I haven't, but we're going to see today with this fun experiment. And I'm going to show you what you all need for this experiment. Let's go! So what you need for this experiment, my bears, is some popcorn seeds, a long glass jar, something that is see-through, some bicarbonate of soda, white vinegar, and a measuring jug to measure out all your ingredients for the dancing popcorn. So first what I'm going to do, and moms and dads, I would suggest you do this experiment where if it needs to overflow that the area can get wet. So I'm using a placemat for all my ingredients. So first I'm going to throw 2 cups of popcorn into my jar. What color are my popcorn seeds? That's right, they are orange. So here we go. Here's 1 cup. Count with me. 1. And 2 cups. Oh, there we go. My popcorn seeds are in. Next, I'm going to take my vinegar. You need 1 cup of vinegar. Let's see. Let's pour it in. 1 cup vinegar. It's in. Put the lid back on. Now comes for the magic. I'm going to take my bicarb. I'm going to pour a little bit in here. Maybe a quarter. Mom and Dad can help you with this. A quarter cup of bicarb. And now let's see what happens when I throw the bicarb into the vinegar. I pour it little bit by little bit. Oh, look, it's foaming up. And you let it foam and you can slowly start to see the popcorn is lifting up. Can you see that? Look there. Let's add some more. And there goes the popcorn seeds. They're moving up, moving up, moving up. They're starting to dance. Can you see? Look at that. They're shooting up from the bicarb with the vinegar. There we go. And if you want, can you see them shooting up? Huh? Wow, they really are dancing. Look at that. Look at that. They are dancing. Look how they are dancing. And if you want, you can add some more bicarb to let them dance some more, or some more vinegar. You can add. The more bicarb you add, the more the popcorn seeds will dance. My bears, I hope you enjoyed that video and that you go and do this fun activity with mom and dad at home and make your popcorn dance. Send us some photos so we can see how your popcorn was dancing, and maybe you can even dance with your popcorn too. Have fun. See you again soon. Bye.